Does this not look like a meal fit for a king? Guys, welcome to Fish Hook Outdoors. I'm Charles. This is my wonderful wife, Amy.
Hey.
We're really glad you took the time to spend with us. We got a great video in store for you guys tonight. So, honey, the question is, what do you want for dinner?
I was thinking something maybe with steak tonight.
Really? Well, let's step it up a notch and let's go surf and turf, sea scallops, and steak stir fry. What do you know?
That sounds awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
Well, guys, we're going to meet up at the stove here. We'll show you all the ingredients. This is a really tasty dish. We've already made this once before. It was so good. I wish I filmed it. So this is for you. We've got a delicious top round. Gonna brown it in butter. Okay, time for the onions. We've got our heat on medium. Now we'll add all our scallop potatoes. Get all this goodness going. We got our black pepper, garlic salt, some onion powder, and we'll mix up a little bit more salt in here, and we'll get this mixed up. We're going to let these guys stay in here until the onions caramelize a little bit. Just enough, not too much, so we can bring in our steak and scallops. They come in at the tail end because they'll cook really fast. We'll let these caramelize a little bit, and then we've got some red pepper julienne, and we'll bring it in here. Time for our red bell peppers. Smells real good. Let's let this thing cook for a little bit. And we've got it on medium low. It'll take just a little bit for this all to caramelize. Get these peppers a little soft because in a stir fry, you don't want them really wilted. You want a little bit of crunch. And then we're going to add in the fresh scallops. These are sea scallops raw from the ocean. And we've got the steak all sliced up and ready to go. Still got a little ways to go. But we're getting there. These yellow potatoes really are a tasty addition to this dish. They go good together. Oh, the aroma. Oh, man. All right, let's let this cook. Well, I think the time has arrived. Look how delicious that looks. Potatoes are nice and soft. We're going to put our scallops in first. These have been salted down. So we're going to get these in here. Oh, yeah. Try not to get too much of their juice in here. These scallops will cook really fast. So right before they're done, then we're going to add in our steak. That looks beautiful. Steam it just for a second. All right, when the scallops start to crack open, you see little lines in them, they're ready. Here's our steak. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, yeah. We're going to let this just saute just for a little bit. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. The best part of the evening is here. Does this not look like a meal fit for a king? Amy made a beautiful salad. But man, do I want to dig into those scallops. You got too many good things here. Yes, I is. Oh, yeah, honey. Oh, yes. Yeah, a little bit more. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Excellent. All right, I'll wait on you.
All right.
Oh, man.
It's like it has a little bit of a gravy. You know.
That's the juice from the steak. So, honey, you do the first on this. Let me know what you think.
Since it's a stir fry, there's like 5 different things in here. I gotta try each one.
Yes, you do.
I like the potatoes with this.
Potatoes were, that was Amy's idea. It was a very good addition. I normally don't put potatoes in. Gotta watch the carbs.
Let me try the scallop.
I can't wait. It's good, isn't it?
They're soft. I like it.
Oh yeah, just right. You don't want to overcook them. They dry out. They reduce so much. It's ridiculous.
There's nothing like a good stir fry. This is really good.
Okay, honey. I don't want to watch her anymore. Let me steak. Oh yeah.
Tender.
Mm-hmm.
You've got to make this dish. It is so good.
Mm. I like to eat my scallops slow. This is just a premier dish. I love it. Oh, this came out excellent. Excellent, hon.
Good job.
Way to go. Way to go. We're not obeying the 6-foot rule. Sorry, guys. We're COVID free. Well, guys, thanks a lot for spending this time with us, coming to be with us at dinner. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed it. I will put in the links below, step-by-step instructions, the quantities, what size steak, what kind of steak I use, and that's really a variable. And the scallops, sea scallops. The bay scallops are the really tiny ones. If you refer back to one of my videos at the 4th Street shrimp store, much to my surprise and I was a little bit unhappy, they use bay scallops, and those things are ridiculous, like little marbles. So I was disappointed. They are scallops, but sea scallops are the big ones. And great steak. Man, it's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got something from this, and I hope you guys try it. A lot of you have commented already and have emailed me. I have friends from Maine down to Florida, and they tried the dishes, and I was really happy about that. Really happy. So that's a home run for us. Hit the subscribe button, and a like would be great if you guys like this, and give us some good comment. Give me some good feedback. We will see you guys again on the very next one, because now we're going to chow down. So have a great week, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.